Okay, this is day 28 of me trading with Apex. This is where that new eval is. Oh, I kind of did that kind of quick. I was able to bring my account up a little bit from yesterday's horrible disaster of me just trading like a terrible, it's just terrible. Anyways, this is where the drawdown is now on the eval, and this is my PA account. Still have not traded that PA in quite a long time. So let me just go over the trade that I took today. I took this trade obviously here, as you can see, at the end or near the end of the day. I kind of just watched what price was doing, throughout today. And when I was able to really get back home and sit at the computer, I was contemplating on taking a trade or not. Anyways, one of my setups kind of appeared and I decided to take it. So it was right here, and since price was above hourly 50 EMA, I'm on the 3-minute chart and this is MNQ. So we're above that EMA, so I needed to go, my strategy says to go long. At that point, I'm looking for the first bear candle opening and closing above the 10 EMA, which is this light blue line here. And so price came down. We had some bull candles closing under that 10 EMA. And then this is the candle I'm talking about right here. This was the first bear candle opening and closing above that 10. It's a reset candle. Put my entry above this candle and put my stop, as you can see, a little bit below the closes or the opens of these candles here. And targeted 1.2, exited one. I had 4 contracts, exited one here on the 21-minute rule. Or I'm using the 21-minute rule. So every 21 minutes, I get to move my stop up a little bit, move my stop up here. So I'm really glad I was able to take some risk off, move my stop up. So at that point, I'm finding myself, when I'm able to exit one contract and move my stop once, I feel a lot better. I feel a lot better about the trade. And if it turns around, I'm not as, I don't want to say devastated is probably too extreme of a word, but I don't feel as bad, I guess, when I lose that way. At that point, it was just a waiting game. When I got to my 1.2R target, I exited 2 contracts here and then tried to hold as long as I could. But as I was looking at the 24-hour chart and where we could close, see this resistance right here on the 24-hour chart, I'm like, and we still have some time left. This could actually shoot up here and close. I just decided, let me just not be too, greedy or overly optimistic on this, and let me just close the trade out. So I did it also within, when I saw it was sort of struggling to really get outside of this channel, the top of this orange channel that I've drawn. That's another reason why I said, okay, I'll just exit there. And that's where the last contract that I got out on. So that is the trade. Much better than yesterday. If you see this little blip here, this was an accident. I didn't mean to. I was thinking about I had set a trade above the high of this bear reset candle. But I forgot to switch the order to stop limit, and I did it as limit, and it entered me in almost immediately, and I had to get out really fast. So this wouldn't have worked out anyways. When I saw this dump here, I canceled that order because I was like, that is too extreme. So, but this one, it was nice, a lower entry, and I guess better risk to reward. So yeah, that was the trade, and I need to just continue doing trades just like this, or obviously better. Yesterday was just a total I don't even know what you call that. But anyways, that was today. Like and subscribe. Let me know what you think, and I'll see you on the next one.